Boy. Oh my gosh. What's up, you guys? It's Wayne with Hunter's Vending. You know, we about to make it happen. Got to go pick the van up from my wife at work and drop the kids off at grandma's house because it's time to get to work, y'all. I ain't got no cameraman today, but that's okay. And today we're going to be getting my locations in order. I have been just moving, on the move, on the go, wife, kids, work, you know, and I just fill my vending machines up. So a lot of the customers have been disappointed that their snacks will be in the machine and then they'll be gone because I'm on the move, on the go, that I just fill the vending machine up. So now I got this software called VendSoft, which keeps track of what's in each coil. This coil has Cheetos. This coil has this, that, so that I know what sells out. You know, I know what was in that row. So now I'm gonna be taking my time with one location at a time and getting my vending machine in order so that I could up my funds. You know what I mean? So I'm missing out on a lot of money. The fact that I'm putting stuff in the vending machine that sometimes people don't like. And I just need to get it together, get it in order. And man, I'm just getting ready for summertime, man. So let's get it in line, right on time, because now's the time. Let's get it, y'all. Check out the vending machine is doing. Boy. Oh my gosh. Man, y'all know what that means. Vending machine empty. You looking a little green up in that thing. Let's get to it, y'all. taking this coin mech and placing it on this machine over here, because this machine runs out of change. So I'm gonna swap these, and then I'm going to clean out this machine over here. Show you guys how we do it, man. Pepsi, Coke, root beer, Sprite, tea. Mission is to start filling my vending machines up all the way and stop being cheap, so I could be more effective. I could build up on my my products, because me, I be trying to hold on to all the money and stuff be running out. So now I'm gonna be more effective and get my funds up, man. Time to get down to business. So this is the location I'm going to install the Red Bull shim, so stay tuned for that video of the installation. What do we have here? So right here I got my Red Bull shims for 2 of my locations. Could been 8-ounce Red Bulls. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna install these, but you know, I'm gonna figure it out. So we pretty much got almost everything filled to the top. So I'm gonna write down everything that I need and fill it all the way up and build up on my products. So there we go. So we need tea, we need root beer, gonna get some more Monster and Rockstar. And I'm gonna use the money from this machine and go buy the product and just fill everything up, including the snack machine. Then I'm gonna come down here, clean this out, all this right here, and you know, make it look nice. So now I'm gonna be writing down how many chips are in each row, how many products are in each row, and keep track of what's selling and what's not selling. Got it off the soda machine. So I got this on the snack machine right here, because the capacity isn't as big. This machine is a little bit slow. Alright, so snack machine done. Let's get over to the soda machine. As you can see, this holds a lot more. You got 2 rows for 25 cents and a $1 row. And this one over here just has 3 rows, quarters, nickels, and dimes. So you always want to put your high capacity on the one that does the most. Look at you, boy. Getting down and dirty. Series number 1. Let's get to the rest, the other 10 locations, and get everything in order. I'm gonna fill up everything that needs to be filled up in these. I'm gonna buy all this stuff tonight and come back when they open and just fill it all up, man. All right, welcome back to the office, y'all. All right, got the totals right here. Well, the total of the one location, and it really shocked me, you guys. $292.85 in 8 days. So come to find out, they had a party at the location, and he said that they ran through the machine. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for the next one. Peace.